Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make eggs perfectly, only way. Start with room temperature eggs and a gentle simmer. Use a wide pan, low heat, and a tight lid to control steam and texture as eggs set. Time eggs precisely. Soft 6 minutes, medium 8 minutes, hard 11 minutes, then cool in ice water to lock texture. Season after cooling for best flavor. Let's cook together. Begin by preparing ingredients and equipment to remove guesswork and speed up cooking. Crack each egg into a small bowl to inspect, and then gently transfer to the pan. Use butter for richness, oil for higher heat, and a wide shallow pan for even contact. Keep heat low and consistent to avoid rubbery whites. Small prep steps prevent mistakes and save time when you cook again. Learn quick fixes so mistakes do not ruin breakfast and you stay calm at the stove. If whites become rubbery, lower heat and add a splash of water to create gentle steam and soften texture. For runny yolks that need more cook, extend the gentle heat or finish briefly in a 350 degrees F oven. Prevent sticking by preheating the pan and using enough fat, then practice for consistent results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.